Hey, thanks for joining us today. Due to travel restrictions, Lynx is going to join us remotely for the demo. I'm Michelle Chamberlain, FoxJet's Product Manager for Primary Packaging Product. With me is Andrew Young, our Application Engineer for Continuous Inkjet and Laser Coaters. We have a great deal to cover in our short time together, so to start us off, we're first going to provide a short video overview of the FoxJet portfolio. Then we'll return with a quick transition to Charles Randon, Lynx's Senior Product Manager for Continuous Inkjet Printing Technologies. Charles will provide a demonstration of the 8900 series printing technology, including the MK11 printhead, which ensures our equipment is reliable as you implement new regulations to keep your employees safe as they produce goods.
Upon completion of the demonstration, we will have a few minutes of Q&A. If you have a question or would like to request additional information at any time during our session, please submit your request to one of our online chat experts.
FoxJet manufactures marking and coding equipment for the industrial marketplace. Our people have the vision to anticipate customers' challenges and the ability to develop product solutions to meet them. We design, develop, and distribute innovative printhead technologies that deliver crisp logos and graphics, clear dark text, and readable barcodes onto a variety of surfaces. Our industrial high-resolution printers are built for performance and reliability, offering up to a 4-inch high print area of text, graphics, and barcodes. A choice of printhead controllers allows for flexible user interface and integration, which can save money and eliminate downtime. The Lynx series small character inkjet printers feature fast, easy-to-use, non-contact printing of messages on just about any surface. Its unique design eliminates nearly all of the daily maintenance needed by other continuous inkjet printing systems. FoxJet's drive for better solutions led to the development of its all-electric print and apply labeling systems that maximize uptime, are built for reliability and cost savings. The Solo Series thermal inkjet printers from FoxJet feature many printing capabilities, including up to 10 lines of alphanumerics, as well as logos and barcodes. The enclosed printhead design of the Solo Series printers makes them truly durable. FoxJet's VX Series printheads for dot matrix marking and coding allow for 1/2 to 2 inch in print height. A wide array of built-in printing codes and ink types allow end users to quickly create messages for printing on any substrate. Our products are built for tough conditions. They are field repaired when needed, providing the lowest total cost of ownership. Engineered with technologies so advanced, FoxJet printers were the first approved by Walmart for printing directly onto boxes and trays by suppliers. Same-day service and repairs are not uncommon. Through FoxJet's distribution network, which spans international, national, regional, and local markets, it's easy to access our broad network and ultimately increase your bottom line. With our extensive product portfolio, global distribution network, and vision, FoxJet continues to deliver new and essential marking and coding products to meet the demanding challenges of the industry.
We hope you found our overview video insightful. While we are focused on continuous inkjet printing during this session, we really want you to know that we are a full solution provider of marking and coding technologies.
Next, we transition to Charles Randon to demonstrate the reliability, ease of use, and efficiency of the 8900 series technology. Over to you, Charles.
Thanks, Michelle. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how the Lynx 8900 series is designed to give you the most reliable, easy to use, and efficient printer in today's production environments. The 8900 series is a continuous inkjet printer. It can be positioned on a stand or on a wheeled trolley so that it can be moved to where you need it when you need it in the factory. From the front of the machine, you can get easy access to the user interface and also the fluid refill points. And on the side of the machine, you've got connections to the printhead, external triggers, alarms, and other external devices. The user interface on the printer is designed to be the most easy to use interface, and that means that it delivers fast setup and mistake-free printing. The screen is a 10-inch touchscreen. It's a highly responsive screen, and as you can see, it can be used with gloves. It's covered with a protective membrane which is alcohol and solvent proof, so you can use it with gloves, sanitizers and other cleaning materials. That's vital in today's hygiene conscious environment, we know. The home screen gives some key information here, the currently printing message and the fluid levels, and as you can see there are large buttons then on the home screen to give you access to everyday functions. You can customize the home screen so you have the functions that you need and regularly use to hand. And you can immediately edit a message from the home screen simply and easily with prompts, so that you can make simple, mistake-free, instant changes to messages. The user interface also has multiple line settings, so that if you move the printer from line to line, or if you're changing your product setup, there's no need to reset everything up in the printer. You simply change the line settings in the printer, and the printer does everything else for you. All of the messages and the settings in the printer can be saved on a USB stick and taken from the machine and then taken to another printer to copy those settings across. The printhead on the Lynx 8900 series is designed to be the most reliable printhead, and that means fewer unscheduled stoppages on the production line and minimised maintenance. The printhead is hermetically sealed and all the critical components are safely moulded into the printhead, so it can withstand knocks with no problem at all on the production line. The unique design of this printhead means that there are no loose wires or exposed tubes or exposed seals to be damaged on the printhead. There are no parts to adjust or align. The printhead doesn't need any adjustment by the user, and the printhead constantly measures temperature, ink pressure and jet speed itself to deliver consistent print quality and print size. The Autoflush system in the printhead is unique, and it means that the printhead can run for up to 3 months between cleaning, far longer than other printheads. The cover tube is a simple design with no dirt traps in the cover tube, and the conduit on this printhead is a figure of 8 design, which means that it's very flexible, and the conduit comes in 2, 4 and 6 metre lengths so that it can fit into any production line space. There's also a right-angled conduit design to fit into really tight spaces on the production line. The cabinet and the ink system are designed to deliver reliability, ease of use and efficiency. When the printer needs refilling, the screen will tell you through its on-screen indication when the cartridges in the printer need changing, and then you simply access them with the one touch door to access the ink and top-up solvent cartridges. The cartridges themselves are mistake-free and mess-free in design. You can see that the ink and top-up solvent are of different sizes. They also have RFID tags on them, so you simply can't mix them up. And by having them different sizes, it also minimises the interactions you need with the printer and also minimises waste. There is a reserve volume in the printer, so when the cartridges run empty, you can still keep running for up to 12 hours. And when it comes to servicing the printer, well, we've designed the printer to have the lowest service costs. This is the service module. This is what is changed at each service, and it contains a filter and the working volume of ink, which you need to change to keep running reliably. It's a very simple pull-out, push-in process. You can do it with the printer switched on, and the screen will actually interact and step you through the process. It takes just a few minutes of interaction from the user, and then the printer will refill itself, and within half an hour you're up and running again. The service interval on the 8900 series is up to 2 years, so again helping to reduce those running costs of the printer. The cabinet itself is IP55 rated with an IP65 option and is designed to be hygienic with minimal dirt traps. So all of these features help to deliver the most reliable, easy to use and efficient CIJ printer. Thanks very much. Back to you, Michelle.
And welcome back. We've actually had a few good questions submitted, but while we're reviewing these questions, if you have any additional questions or requests for information, be certain to go ahead and submit those online or via email through our online chat experts, and we will follow up with you directly. I have actually a handful of questions here that we're going to go through. Andrew, our first one is, how long can you keep the printer shut down without cleaning it out?
Well, we have a couple of different shutdown modes, but our standard shutdown mode will allow for up to 4 weeks. Does a full rinse after the red button is pressed. Allows for up to, 4 weeks.
And if someone wants to shut it down longer than 4 weeks?
Extended shutdown in that case will actually let us go up to 90 days.
Oh, 90 days. That's quite a long time frame there. But if someone wants to go even longer than 90 days, what would you recommend?
Even longer, actually, we will just go ahead and flush the printer out, remove all traces of ink residue in the printer, and that'll let us store it indefinitely.
And assures a clean startup when we go to put it back online. Great. Okay, question number 2. How does Lynx Autoflush differ from any other CIJ printer?
Well, we have a true Autoflush. We are actually completely rinsing out every part of the printhead that comes in contact with ink and the conduit. We start at the solvent tank. Basically, we pump solvent all the way through the conduit, through the solenoids in the head, through the nozzle, into the gutter, just a pure stream of solvent, and then actually we recirculate it back to the ink tank. Once we are done rinsing, we close off our gutter electro valve, seal off our gutter from atmosphere, and suction out the last remaining particles of ink in there. Gives us a nice trouble-free startup every time.
Perfect. This is a really relevant question. What happens if I forget to turn the printer off?
Oh, we've got a great feature here. Actually, it's an auto power down feature that lets us set a time interval for the printer to turn off if it sits idle too long. Whether the jet is running or not, the printer will go through a proper shutdown and then a full power off, even if somebody forgets to turn it off.
And what happens if the power goes out?
Power goes out. Even if the jet's running, actually all these solenoids in the printhead shut off. We don't have any ink seeping, anything like that. Don't make a mess. When the power comes back, printer starts back up, it will actually give you a warning letting you know. In case you didn't know, hey, I've been off for a long time with no power. I might not have shut down properly.
All right. That's helpful. Very helpful. Our next question, and this is a maintenance-related question. What happens if you don't change out the service module?
Okay, so maintenance, we actually have a 90-day period from the time the printer reminds you to change the service module, right up until 90 days later that the printer will not function anymore. You get actually, first 30 days, you get a warning saying, hey, service is coming due. After that 30 days, you get another warning every single day that says maintenance is due. After 30 days, you get another warning that says maintenance is overdue before finally the printer says, hey, I need to be maintained. We do this so that we get maximum quality, maximum uptime, and can ensure a quality print, as opposed to just letting it go forever.
The 90 days notice is good. Also, there's no nuisance abrupt shut off of the printer during that time.
Got it.
Awesome.
Over.
All right. Here's another question. It's actually one of our most frequently asked questions. Can I change the color?
Okay. Continuous inkjet by design does not change color on the fly. However, every single printer we sell, we do a full application analysis We take samples and find the right ink for the application. So we do have a few different colors of ink we offer, dye and pick several different types of ink we offer, and we will find the right one for you.
Great. That was our last question, so this concludes our session for today. Just keep in mind, if you have any additional questions or requests for information, you can continue submitting your questions to our online chat experts through the end of the PAC Expo Connect show. Thank you.